to rent furnished on the second floor of a late 19th century building, an apartment in good condition with elevator with excellent features, parquet, double glazing, La Cornue kitchen, air conditioning, etc. With 330 square m. It comprises a large entrance gallery, living room, dining room, fitted kitchen/dining room, study or TV room. Master suite with 2 dressing rooms. Large bathroom with bath and separate shower. 2 bedrooms with adjoining shower rooms. Bathroom with WC and laundry. 2 service bedrooms, cellar.